Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure Android 9 or newer is running and you have a Chromium-based browser that allows extensions. Open the Play Store, install or update that browser, and enable app installation from unknown or external sources so you can add extensions safely. Once done, open the browser settings and switch to the desktop user agent if available. This makes extension pages behave like a desktop browser. Make sure you grant storage and network permissions to avoid installation blocks. Now you'll install the extension. Navigate to the Chrome Web Store in the browser while in desktop mode. Find the extension you want, tap Add to Browser, and accept the permissions prompt. This copies the extension into the Chromium-based app. Once the install completes, go to the browser's Extensions or Add-ons page to enable it, set any extension-specific options, and pin it to the toolbar for quick access. Make sure to test the extension on a site it modifies, so you confirm functionality immediately. Finish by restarting the browser, reloading tabs, and verifying the extension works on target sites. If you run into problems, disable other extensions first to find conflicts, then clear cache and site data. These steps often restore behavior. If an extension still fails, reinstall it or update the browser to the latest build and confirm the desktop user agent is active. One key troubleshooting tip: if a feature is missing, check the extension's site access or runtime permissions. Granting them usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.